Welcome to Taurex. In this video we're going to guide you how to deposit using Crypto Gateway. So first of all, you're going to want to log into the platform at global.mytaurex.com. After successfully logging in, what you're going to want to do is click the deposit logo to start. You can quickly select the amount to deposit, or you can type a different amount and then click next. Next, you want to select this crypto logo here and select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. So here I'm going to use USD Tether to proceed with the payment. Check the information and the amount to be paid and then select the network you are using. So here I'm going to select TRC20. Then open your crypto wallet and select the scan QR code feature to complete the payment. When the transaction is successful, the amount will be automatically updated to your account. Thank you, and we wish you successful trading at Taurex.